you guys. So I cannot contain my excitement. I am so excited because I have some special guests with me today. As you can see, my brother Taj.
That's good.
And my brother Tavier.
So,
And today we're gonna be making one of my favorite comfort foods, beef stroganoff, but I'm gonna show you the easy version. So do you guys wanna know what makes this easy?
yes.
Yes.
Okay, well basically we're just gonna be throwing everything into one pan. So that's what makes it easier. And then we're also gonna be using some frozen meatballs here. You don't have to thaw it out. And I wanna put you to work, so that's why I have you grating the
Okay.
cheese. I mean, why not? You're here, so right.
Yes. What cheese is this?
This is Parmesan cheese.
Ooh.
It's nice and salty. This is what makes it easy. We have store-bought Alfredo sauce right here, right? And so I'm just gonna add this to this baking pan, right? Look at that. And this is just loaded with just lots of flavor. You can smell the cheese.
Yeah, that
Smell
looks
that.
fire.
Oh,
And we're adding more.
yes. Oh, we're gonna be adding lots of cheese to this.
That's one.
So now I'm gonna add my beef stock, right? I'm just gonna add probably about like, what, a cup maybe? I have to make sure that there's enough liquid because we are baking the pasta in this liquid. So let's do that. Can you start cutting up the mushrooms for me,
Yeah.
bro? Okay, so watch what I do here, right?
Okay.
I wanna make sure that I use all of this Alfredo sauce. So what do you think I'm gonna do?
Oh,
Rinse it out.
yeah, rinse that joint out. Just pour that,
Yeah.
that beef stock up in that mug.
Right? This is like a tip here, you guys. I wanna make sure I get all of this sauce. And look, see, so I'm just shaking it up like this so I get all of the sauce there.
We don't waste food.
No waste here, right?
nah.
And then I'm just gonna pour it right in there. Wait a minute, you guys. Taj, show them how it's done.
You know what I'm saying?
You
know what I'm
guys-
saying? Make sure you don't cut yourself. You know you gotta get the knuckles up in there. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to slice your finger.
Yo,
you
look
know
at
what
the
I'm
wrist
saying?
action.
Yes, right?
You know what I'm saying? No. Sure.
I'm telling you guys, my brothers know how to throw down. And this one, he's so good with presentation. Wow, look at that. That's so good. It's like perfect. I'm gonna use about half a cup and then the rest on top. Can you ever have
Too much
cheese,
cheese.
right? Okay, so now we're gonna add some more flavor to this sauce, right? So I'm gonna add some sour cream. Oop. That was a nice plop. If you ever need a sound effects for like plop,
You need to
that
add
was
it.
that right there, right? Okay, we're gonna add some pepper here. There we go. We're gonna add some salt. Like what is the salt guy? Is that like
Salt Bae.
Salt Bae. There we go.
You know what I be thinking though? Like, is his elbow clean? Cause like the salt is touching the elbow. Like, I don't want your elbow salt in my food too. I just want the salt.
Good point. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix all of this together. Taj,
Yeah.
it's so funny when we're at home, you guys. We're like Taj.
It's just you and Tamira that do that though.
I'm just saying, there's a lot of T's in the house.
There
so
is a lot of
Tavier,
T's.
Taj, Tia, Tamara. So when I'm trying to call one of them, sometimes I'll call him Tave, sometimes I'll call him
She'll
Tamara.
run down the whole list of
Like,
like every name in the family, just until one sticks,
And he
until
said
she hears a
cream on it.
response.
Okay, Tave, can you add some cheese, about half of that? Just gonna put it in here. There we go. Look at that.
Oh wow.
Oh, you guys, this is gonna be so good. So I'm gonna ask you guys, well, first I'll ask you, Taj, what do you love about cooking?
There's like levels to it. So like once you get to a certain level, then you can experiment, and that's my favorite. So like where you don't have to look up stuff like all the time, like, all right, how much time in the oven do I gotta put this in? Like you could just be like, all right, let me add this spice and see how it tastes today.
You're kind of getting used.
It's like art.
Yeah.
I like using it in that way. And that's why when you said I like presentation, that's why I like presentation, because
you like.
even though I'm gonna like destroy the food on the plate, it looks good like prior, you know what I'm saying? Even if I'm cooking by myself.
I mean, I think also we've been blessed to have parents that love to cook.
Yeah.
So we've learned to
It was always
love and
around.
appreciate the process, you know?
True.
And then we would always spend time together. That's where we actually spend most of our time together now as
Yeah.
adults. It's when we eat, you know?
Definitely.
All right, so we have all of our mushrooms in. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the pasta in.
Wait. Don't we need to cook this first?
No, that's the coolest thing about this. So we are baking all of this together, and that's why we needed that beef stock, the liquid.
And then the water. Okay, yeah.
But the coolest thing is about this is, guess what? These noodles are gonna be infused with all of that flavor.
Yeah, it's gonna be
that's
Right? So it's just gonna be
it's about to be
bomb.
fire.
Oh, you use fire too?
Yeah, I get that. To be honest, all of the words I say is because of Tavier.
Tavier is
He's
like-
the youngest. I'd be like, what do the kids say? Okay. What's the context? Can you say that in a sentence for me? Or?
I know, he always says like fire.
I do be making you explain it though. Like, okay, what does that mean?
I know. Oh man. Okay, so there we go. And then I'm just gonna mix all of this together, right? Just so we can get it all in there. Did you see how easy this was?
Yeah, it was super easy.
Did you know that this dish dates all the way back to the 1800s?
Wait, for real?
Yeah, it's a Russian dish. Todd, you're really good with
Stroganoff.
Stroganoff. Yeah, that's really good.
We make beef stroganoff.
Yeah, that's so good, Todd.
Hope you like. If not, oh well. I went into a little Spanish at the end. I don't know what that was.
All right, you guys, so next I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put on my frozen meatballs. And again, this is what makes it easy. We didn't make these from scratch, right? Which is okay. Oh, look at this, you guys. So who wants to do the honors and sprinkle some cheese
That guy
on top?
Tavier, he did all the work.
Oh yeah,
he
Tay, you do
gotta
it. Go ahead, sprinkle, sprinkle.
cheese.
Look at that. Oh my God. We just have to give this one a round of applause. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to just put some foil on top. We're gonna put it into the oven at 425 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. And it's important that you stir occasionally because we don't want the pasta to stick. Yeah, so that's like really important. Tavier, can you do the honors?
I would love to.
I mean, usually I do, but I have, brothers here that have some muscles.
Slide it in.
So just
Yes,
put it back. All right, you guys, so it's out of the oven and it's nice and hot, right? Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh,
the smell.
look at this, you guys.
Everything's gone. It's all.
Oh,
the
you know what? Actually, speaking of that, while it's nice and steamy, let's add some more cheese. Do you want to do it this time, Taj? Yes. You guys, this smells so good. Just go in. That's fine. That's a lot of cheese. Now it's time to serve you. My favorite part. Feeding you guys. Oh, you want a meatball or two? Or three? Okay, ready? No, you go first.
Oh yeah, that's fire. Oh, that's fire. Oh man, it's like creamy too. It's not
Alfredo
just
sauce,
cheesy.
Yeah.
It's creamy also. I wasn't expecting that. I'm shocked at the creaminess. When you get that good food dance though.
Thank you so much, Todd. And Tavier. Thank you so much for being my guest. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see another video with my brothers, make sure you click the mac and cheese video right there. We'll see you over there. Bye, guys.